The best time to learn artificial intelligence was 5 years ago. The second best time is now. So, what are you waiting for? Hello everybody, I'm Simo from Tech Covenants, and in this video, I'm going to present to you 10 best AI courses in the internet. So, if you are ready, hit the subscribe button and click the like with smash the bell notification and let's start. Before starting, I would like to announce that we chose these 10 courses between more than 100 courses, and we chose these 10 courses looking at many things, and the most important of them are reliability. We chose the best teachers in the internet who explain this lesson, and we chose people of international reputation. Feedbacks. We analyzed the feedback of a lot of students who participated in this course, and also we see what experts say about this course. And also we see what experts say about these courses. We chose the wonderful courses which were placed at a reasonable price, and we chose the best and cheapest courses for you. So again, if you are not a subscriber, hit the subscribe right now. The first course is Google AI Education. These courses are totally free and focuses on the practical side, and we chose it for you because Forbes chose it as the best source to start learning AI for beginners and for free. But what we didn't like in this course is the content is not arranged, and there are a lot of things written without videos. But if you are a beginner in AI and you don't have enough money to start, the best choice you can make is start learning this course right now. The second course is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This course is from Microsoft. It begins by teaching you the basics of the artificial intelligence. Then, they lives with you in natural language processing and computer vision using the Python programming language. And the course is free, but the certificate is paid. Its price is $100. And by the way, I have a way that you can buy the course in edX at 10% of its original price. So if the course is worth $100, you can buy it for only $10. If you are interested in the method, subscribe, like, and write it in the comments below. Personally, I like this course very much because it contains a lot of information for beginners, and it will cost you just 5 hours in a week. Also, the course will teach you how to create a chatbot, but what I don't like in this course is the reliance on Microsoft services. But if you don't have a problem to use Microsoft services, you will really enjoy while you learn this course. The third course, AI and Machine Learning Engineering Career Track. These courses are the best, strongest AI course in the internet, and believe me, you will not find a better course like this one, even in Harvard. It will teach you more than 400 hours of AI from zero to hero literally. You need between 6 months to 1 year to complete this course. Not just getting course and certificate. No. This company will hire you to work in one of the big companies for full time. But the price is really expensive. It costs $8,000. But if this company did not find you a job during the first 6 months, they will return back all your money to you. If you have the ability to buy this course and you want really to jump into the AI world, don't hesitate and buy this course because this is the best one in our list. And this is not a net. We really love their course, and also the AI community recommend the same thing. You can check it yourself at the link in the description. And again, this course are not for those who want to learn AI. This course are for the people who want to learn AI and work in it also. Artificial Intelligence Reinforcement Learning in Python. In my opinion, this is the best course in reinforcement learning. Within 13 hours, the teacher will take you to 17 types of reinforcement learning with examples, and the course is really cheap It costs just $29, but you can get it cheaper if you use some coupons. This is why I invite you to join our Telegram channel in the description below, because we post on it some coupons with 100 per 100 promotion. That means you can get the course for free if you follow us on Telegram. But what I don't like in this course is you should have a little bit of experience in AI, and if you don't have any experience in AI, we don't recommend it to you. The next one, Data Science Professional Certificate. This data science from EBM is one of the best data science courses in the edX, and it is an accredited certification. It teaches you everything basic about data science and machine learning, and you go in to complete this course within 2 months with just 10 hours in week. This course are totally free, but the price of certificate is $40 if you want it. I like this course because it is detailed and it is the best choice for beginners to start learning machine learning and data science, and it don't require you any previous experience in AI. So that's it. If you are beginner in AI and you want to get started with data science, enroll this course right now in the link in the description. The next one, Columbia's Artificial Intelligence MicroMaster. This course is from Columbia University, and this course is similar to a master's degree in AI. Yeah, master's degree. And you go in to learn it for 2 years, with 5 hours every week, or in 1 year, 14 hours in week. And the surprise that is this course is free in edX, but again the certificate is expensive a little bit. Its price is $800, but in my opinion, the price is really cheap in comparison with how much you're going to learn in this big course. But we should mention that you need to have some valuable information and experience in linear algebra and calculus with Python language before getting into this great course about artificial intelligence MicroMasters. And this course is the best choice for who want to complete their study in out of their country. Of course, in field of AI. The next course is Advanced Machine Learning Specialization. This course is by National Research University, and it is a course of 7 courses. You go in to learn what you can't find anywhere, some very valuable and strong informations, and also you're going to see how machine learning works by the experts of Kaggle. It's totally free to learn, and the certification price is really cheap. It's just with $79. I recommend this one to anyone because it will teach you everything you need about machine learning with mixing of 2 sides, practical side and theoretical side. But please enroll this course after you learn some basic about AI, algorithm and Python, or you will not learn very well. The next one, AI Programming with Python Nano Degree. AI Programming with Python Nano Degree is by Udacity, and I will be honest with you in this course because I already took it. This course will be your best course if you are beginner and you have some money. With just 10 hours in week and within just 3 months, I assure you that it will cover you all the principles and basics of artificial intelligence in a professional and very simple way. But sadly, the course isn't free to learn and you should pay monthly to learn. But don't worry, our Telegram group is just for solving your problem. So without losing the time, join the channel and we will teach you how to learn in Udacity for free in the future. But if you have money right now, please don't hesitate and waste time. Enroll this course and start learning. And believe me, you now isn't you after 3 months of learning this course. And if you ask for the price is $160 in a month. That's mean more than $70 in a 3 months. But as we said, join our channel to learn some private tricks to give the course for free in the future. The next course, AI for Everyone. If I tell you about Andrew Ng, Maybe you won't know it, but if I tell you about Coursera, you will know this platform. That means this man is the founder of this big platform. Andrew himself will teach you the basic of AI, and personally I recommend you to start learning this course right now if you don't have money. The course is detailed, and after 9 hours you will find yourself in the way of AI. You will know a lot of things, will help you to choose what to learn and start your way to deep learning. And the course is totally free, but the certificate price is $49, and anyone can learn this course without any previous knowledge. Yeah. The second course, Machine Learning AI Certification. This course is by Stanford University, and this course is the #1 in our list. It covers everything you should know and learn before starting machine learning and AI, and by the same instructor of the previous course, that is Andrew. And the course is really detailed, you will never tire of following it, and it is free, and it's focused on applications more than theoretical speech. The professor Andrew will teach you a lot of things from linear algebra to deep learning and neural network, and this course is for everyone. No experience needed, and you will be shocked if I tell you that more than 3 million are enrolled in this course. And no one make a negative comments to it, and you're going to know why yourself when you enroll it too. My friend, you know that we spend our time to make this video, so don't forget and hit the subscribe button and the like. Thank you, enjoy!